Hi, my name is Roddy, and I'm going to present you the most efficient engine in history. I have granted a patent by the USA Patent Department. This engine, instead of using a crankshaft, is using a rack-and-pinion system to pull out the force. By using a rack-and-pinion piston, the force is always pushing to rotate instead of pushing against the crankshaft or pushing against the cylinder. By doing this, 90 to 95% of the force is getting from this engine. So that means the efficiency is a lot. This engine can change everything. This engine, by using this engine in car, motorcycle, generators, in everything. Also work with water, liquid. So if you can connect it, instead of using air pressure or gasoline, you can also, the same system, you can put it with water and it works the same way. Only the switch will be different. For everything, we work the same way. And this is how it works. By pushing the pressure, this engine is depending on the amount of pressure it's getting. The amount of pressure will determine the force of the engine. So this is how it works again, sorry. We open the bar over here so air can go through. We open it. Now we see over here that we got like 20 pounds, less than 20. And this is how it works. Now we put more pressure. Now we're going to check the amount of the RPM. 100. Let's see what you're high. This is the way it works. This engine also using a crankshaft only to return the piston back up. So it just, the rack-and-pinion system, if you take out the force and the crankshaft, get the momentum to return the piston back up. Okay? It can be made to work at any pressure. Now I got a low pressure. If I put more than 60 pounds, more than 40 pounds, 30 to 40 pounds, it will stop. The system will stop. It's just made to work like between 30 to 40 pounds of pressure, from 0 to 40 pounds of pressure. Let's see how it works.